Now that we're back at my desk, let's open this thing up. So, I'm actually going to use scissors to open this because unlike the normal Amazon packaging, you know, the white packaging, it doesn't have a little pull tab, which is fine. So I accidentally cut part of the thing itself. Ooh, okay. So, this one is as pictured. It's a deep navy blue color with a lime green accent on the sides. So we can see that this one is actually super duper close, and it's actually like spot on to the ad on Amazon, which is right up here on screen, which shows the navy blue with the neon green. So that's freaking amazing. That one I really like. This one looks a little different. And here, I'll pull up the Amazon one. It's right here. So it's supposed to be this black and red color. Okay, taking it out of the package, it looks a little more red, but it definitely looks closer to a pink color. But honestly, this is still a really nice band. I would still use this. But I'm going to ask Maddie because Maddie's the one who was interested in the red and black one, so I'm going to see if she wants it. But hang on, let me take off my current Apple Watch band, and we'll see how it looks in comparison. So I'm going to pop it off just like this, using the buttons on the bottom of the watch. So weird seeing the watch without an actual face. So first thing I noticed is I wasn't sure based on the Amazon listing because it wasn't too clear. It looked like it had like a middle loop or something. The material's obviously different, but this one's actually squishier. And I kind of like that. It actually feels like it'll be a little more comfortable. As for the attachments, it's just got the normal Apple Watch attachments. This is meant for the 38 or 40 millimeter Apple Watches. Same attachment. Okay, so this is different. So this looks a little like the Five Below one, because on Apple's you can see here the 5 Velcro strips are like disguised with this other material in the back. This one, they're just like standing out, but it doesn't look too bad. So let's put this on my watch and we'll see how it looks. So I just switched to my phone. Hopefully the color representation is a little bit better. So we can see all 3 of the bands right here. This is the Anchor Gray one that Apple sells. This is the navy and green one, which hopefully the colors look really good. They do, at least recording it. And then this one, yeah, it was definitely supposed to be more red. It looks more pink, but I'll show you guys how each of them look. So this just attaches in the normal manner. It just slides right in. Actually, that's like surprisingly easy for an aftermarket band. I know the Five Below ones have some issues sometimes, so in all disclosure, this looks really good. Like, I really like the navy on the space gray. Here, let's try the pink one. Or, it should be red, but it looks more pink. This is the bottom. Top. Again, actually, this looks really good. I'm going to give this one to Maddie if she wants it, but because it doesn't really look as red as it did in the advertisement, that's why I think she might not. Otherwise, I'm going to keep it, but I definitely think I'm going to be using the navy one and the Anchor Gray one as my most frequent bands. Hey guys, so it's been about roughly a week since I got the watch bands, and honestly, it's been great. But my other one did too, and yeah, the Velcro may not be as strong, but that's fine. I haven't noticed any major issues with the band. I haven't noticed any major reasons to switch back to my other one, and I did give Maddie the other one, and she hasn't complained at all either, so I think these bands are definitely a win. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I want to do a whole bunch more of these unboxing things, and yeah, I know, like, I'm not recording at my other computer. That's because I'm using my phone right now. Pardon the cough, my sinuses and post-nasal drip are acting up. But anyway, I've been using the band for a few weeks now. It's really great. I don't have any regrets on it. So with that, thanks for watching. Click up here to subscribe, up here to watch one of my other videos, and down below in the description is the link to my Patreon if you guys want to donate anything to try and support me and to help me create videos that you guys want to see. So until next time, guys, peace.